Cell and its function. Cell is the basic functional living unit of the body. Many cells of similar structure and function together form a tissue. A number of tissues form an organ. Many organs form a system, and the system make a body. Cells are of many types. They perform functions specific to the tissue or the organ they form. Some cells, like those of the nervous system, liver, endocrine glands, perform highly specialized functions. As a general rule, the specialized cells are very vulnerable to damage and are also difficult to repair as compared to the less specialized ones. Cells have all the qualities of living matter, such as self-defense and reproduction, only exception blood cells. Cell structure. The study of a cell requires the help of a powerful microscope. A cell consists of a centrally placed nucleus which is surrounded by a jelly-like mass known as the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm along with the nucleus is called the protoplasm. The protoplasm is covered by a cell membrane or cell wall. The cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It gives shape to the cell and acts as a selective barrier through which only a few substances can pass. Cell wall is made up of complex protein, fat, and small amount of carbohydrates. The cytoplasm contains many of the structure, each performing different function. Mitochondria are related to the respiratory process and catabolism. The Golgi apparatus is involved in the secretory activity of the cell. Centrosome is a small dense part of the cytoplasm and is vital for cell division. Nucleus. The nucleus can be called the heart of the cell. It is a mass of protoplasm surrounded by a nuclear membrane. It contains very important protein-rich thread-like structure known as chromatins, from which chromosomes are produced. Chromosome contains genetic material which is responsible for hereditary character of an individual. These are therefore carefully carried through generations. There are 23 pairs of chromosomes in each body cell. 22 of them are called autosomes. These are indistinguishable between men and women. The differentiation of the sexes results from the 23 pair of chromosomes called the sex chromosome. Here, women have a pair of X chromosome and men have an X and Y chromosome. DNA, RNA, and cell division. DNA is a large nucleic acid molecule mainly found in the chromosome in the nucleus of a cell. DNA is the carrier of genetic information that is coded in a sequence of nitrogenous molecular subunits. The subunits form the DNA molecule. RNA is found both in the nucleus and the cytoplasm of the cells. It is made of nitrogenous molecular subunits that transmit genetic instruction from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, RNA takes part in the production of certain proteins. Reproduction or cell division. The mature cell reproduces in two ways. Mitosis, here the daughter cell formed contains the same number of chromosomes, that is 23 pair means 46. This occurs in all cells. Meiosis, here the daughter cell has half the number of chromosomes, that is 23. This takes place in sex organs, testes or ovaries only, and therefore only after the male spermatogenesis or sperm fuses with female ovum, the number of chromosomes is restored to 46 or 23 pair in the fertilized ovum called the embryo to later develop into fetus. Certain properties and function of cells. Ingestion and assimilation. Cells take in their nutrition through the cell wall from the intercellular fluid. They take in simple substances like amino acid and convert them into proteins to make the protoplasm. Cells are very active chemical corpuscle units, in which final products of food eaten by human beings are absorbed and assimilated. Anabolism. The material taken by the cell is assimilated and used to synthesize the protoplasm and grow in size. It can be used to repair or replace dead or injured cell also. This process of growth and repair in cells is called anabolism. Catabolism. Cells need energy to live and function, hence some of the food they absorb is used as fuel. The food is broken down to get energy. This process is known as catabolism. Metabolism. The process of anabolism and catabolism go on simultaneously in the body, and together it is known as metabolism. End products of metabolism are called metabolites. Respiration. Cells also have to breathe for their survival. For that, they take the oxygen brought by the blood and gives away carbon dioxide as waste product. Excretion. The waste produced as a result of catabolism and respiration is sent out by the cell to the extracellular fluid, and from there by blood to lungs, kidneys, etc. for excretion. Excitability and conductivity. Cells can be stimulated by physical, mechanical, chemical, electrical and others to which they respond. This causes the cell to contract, produce secretion, conduct and impulse, etc. Thank you for watching.